Welcome to my channel, dear student. This is the subject about parabola, and this is the 10 plus 2 level, and who want to appear the JEE Advanced and JEE Main and the board exam for 12. Here is the problem: is if at square comma twice at be the coordinate of a extreme of a chord of a focal chord of an extreme of a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 4x, then show that the length of focal chord a times of t plus t1 t plus 1 by t1 whole square. First draw the parabola y square equal to 4x. Focus be here a comma 0 and p be here t square comma at square comma twice at, and let us assume the coordinate of q here is 81 square comma twice 81. This is the other extreme of the parabola focal chord. Now the solution here. Now equation of the chord PQ through the point 80 square comma twice 80 and 81 square comma twice 81, and that is the passing through that P and Q is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of a line through the point x1 y1 and x2 y2. That is let us assume as a P and Q. This is y minus 2t1 equal to twice 80 minus twice 81 by 80 square minus 81 square into x minus 81 square. Okay, and as this is a focal chord, so it is passes to the point a comma 0. Then put the value of y is 0 and x is a. Then simplify. See carefully. After simplifying, we got here tt1 is equal to minus 1 actually. Now this step here is 2 minus twice a t1, 2 by t plus t1 into a into 1 minus t squared. A are cancelled and 2 are cancelled. Then we got here t minus t into t plus t1 equal to 1 minus t1 square. So we got here tt1 equal to minus 1. So t1 is equal to minus 1 by t. This is equation 1. Now length of chord PQ, focal chord of PQ. So you use the formula of distance, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Take as the coordinate of P and Q, that is 80 square minus 81 whole square plus 280 minus 281 whole square. Okay, then take common and factorize a into t plus t1, t minus t1 whole square, 4a square into t minus t1 whole square. Take common the factor t minus t1 and also a. Then we got under root of t plus t1 whole square plus 4. Okay, a into t plus t minus t1 under root of t square plus t1 square plus 2t1 plus 4. Put t equal to t1 equal to minus 1 by t equal to t plus 1 by t under root of t square plus 1 by t square minus 2 plus 4, tt1 equal to minus 1, a plus, put the value of t equal to t1 is equal to 1 by t. Then we got the answer. That is a into t plus t1, 1 by t1 whole square. Okay, go to the next problem. Question number if a straight line passing through the point passing through focus of the parabola y square equal to 4x intersect the parabola at the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then prove that y1, y2 plus 4 x1, x2 equal to 0. Draw the curve y square equal to 4x, and this is be a parabola. See the drawing here. Focus is a comma 0. P here is 8. Let us assume 81 square comma twice 81. 81 square comma twice 81. And vertex B has 0, 0. Okay, let us assume the coordinate P here x1 comma y1 and Q is here x2 comma y2. So as PQ as a focal chord, so we can write here TT1 equal to minus 1. Here x1 is equal to 80 square, y1 is equal to twice 80, x2 is equal to 81 square, y2 is equal to twice 82. Left hand side y1, y2 plus 4 into x1, x2 is equal to twice 80 into 2, 81 plus 4 into 81 square, 81 square or 80 square. Then simplify and put the value of TT1 equal to minus 1. So then we got the answer 0 here. Proved. Next problem, if y square equal to 6 times of x plus y, then find the coordinate of vertex and the coordinate of focus and the length of latus rectum and the equation of directrix. First, this expression to convert as a whole square form, that is y square plus equal to 6x plus 6y. So y square minus 6y equal to 6x. Then y square minus 2y dot 3 plus 3 square. 6x equal to 6x plus 9. Then y minus 3 whole square and take common 6. That is x plus 9 by 6. So y minus 3 whole square 6 times of x plus 3 by 2. Let us assume capital X and capital Y, that is y minus 3 equal to or x equal to x plus 3 by 2. And put here, then y square equal to 6x compared with the equation y square equal to 4x. So draw this curve. And we can write here 4 equal to 6. So length of latus rectum is 6 here. And focus is here a comma 0. And vertex is here 0, 0. And the equation of directrix is x plus a equal to 0. So a equal to 3 by 2 here. Length of latus rectum, that is 4a, that is 6 unit. And for the coordinate of vertex, so that is as a shift of origin, so we can write here x equal to 0, capital X equal to 0, capital Y equal to 0, and put here x means x plus 3 by 2 and y means y minus 3 by 2 as a 0. Then we got the answer for the coordinate of vertex, that is minus 3 by 2 comma 3. Okay, this is as a clear view. Now for the coordinate of vertex, for coordinate of vertex, sorry, this is focus, coordinate of focus, capital X equal to a and capital Y equal to 0, x plus 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, that is x equal to 0, capital Y means y minus 3 equal to 0, so y equal to 3, then the coordinate of focus be here 0 comma 3. Okay, now for equation of directrix, that is capital X plus a equal to 0. So put here x is equal to x plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0. That is the equation of directrix. Now see the next problem. This is 15 and from the book of Esende and marks for question number 15. PQ is a chord of the parabola y square equal to 4x, and the ordinate of P is twice that of the Q, then prove that the locus of the midpoint of PQ be 5y square equal to 18ax. Draw the curve first, and let us assume this is the coordinate of P and Q as 80 square comma twice 81. This is y square equal to 4x, and the other point is here 81 square comma twice 81. As by given condition, according to the statement, we can write here the ordinate of P is twice times the ordinate of Q. That is twice 80 equal to 2 times of twice 81. So T equal to 2T1, number 1 equation. And therefore the Q coordinate be here a t square by 4 comma twice a t by 2 are cancelled. So Q here is a t square by 4 or 80. And P is 80 square comma twice 80, and the midpoint of PQ, and therefore the x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, simply calculation here is LCM here is 8. We can write here divided by 8, and that is 580 square comma 380 by 2. And let us assume this is bxy, as we want to find the coordinate locus of R. So that let us assume as a x is equal to 580 square by t, and y is equal to 3t by 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, 2 and 3, eliminate t, then we got the answer here. That is 5 y square is equal to 18ax. This is the locus of the midpoint of PQ according to the statement. So thank you for watching my video, everyone.